Good morning, students. This is Dr. GVR Seshagiri Rao, Associate Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad. In this session, I would like to explain about ball bearing. How to calculate the life of a ball bearing, we will see in this session. Good morning, students. So today, I would like to explain about ball bearing testing. So already you know the general bearing operators. By using general bearing operators, you can calculate the life of bearing, and then the pressure distribution around the journal we can check. Clear? In this, in ball bearing, you can calculate the life of ball bearing in hours. Clear? So the ball bearing, it may be 6201 or 6204. Different ball bearings are there. So you can use any one type bearing, and you can calculate bearing life of a particular ball bearing. So why should measure the life of a ball bearing? So without knowing the ball bearing, we are using this ball bearing some particular application. After some time, after number of revolutions, it may damage, it may fail. So due to bad design of the bearing, and due to the bad material of the bearing, and due to high temperatures of the bearing. Clear? So all these the factors may affect on bearing life. Here we will calculate the same things life related to the various parameters, temperature, and material, and load. Clear? This setup is called as ball bearing testing. So see here attached system, this the ball bearing in this arrangement. Clear? So with the help of this spindle, help of this spindle screw, you can tight this bearing arrangement, and then one lever is given here. So this lever is used to apply the load. Apply the load on a bearing. The bearing is fitted in this slot. Clear? So while applying load, so what is the speed, and how much time taken, so and what is the temperature generated, you can take by the help of this the temperature gun. Clear? So ideal state, the arrangement is like this, and one end of the shaft is coupled to this the motor. So the shaft is run by this the motor. Here you, by using this dimmer start arrangement, you can increase the speed, and you can note down the ambient temperature, and then the particular temperature at this region while running in so after 1 hour or 40 minutes time. Clear? So after that, you can replace this bearing with another 6204. You may calculate the life of another bearing. Clear? Now I will explain how to conduct experiment, and how to measure the temperature, and how to take the time period, and how to add weight. Clear? This is the weight one. For applying the load. Here the arrangement is given. Now the bearing is fitted. Yeah. After that, switch on the thermostat, and slowly give speed. Clear? So after stably, so measure the speed of this So you can say 110 RPM. So this condition is without adding any load. So without load condition. First you measure the speed and the temperature of the bearing without load. After then the second condition with load. With load we take the speed and then the temperature. So now I'm adding. So with the help of this lever, apply load on the bearing, ball bearing. Clear? So this the knife edge should be matched with this V knot. Clear? And then weight the 5 kg weight. Put 5 kg weight on this weight one. Slowly. Okay, so the speed is already we have measured 110 speed. After some time, let it run for 20 minutes. And note down the time. By using the stopwatch. So, 15 minutes at least 15 minutes you have to wait. After that, after 15 minutes, so measure the bearing temperature. The bearing temperature by using this temperature gun. So slowly increasing temperature, 27, showing 27, 28. Right. After 15 minutes and definitely it will show a higher temperature. So like this, you have to take readings while applying load. One is time period and temperature and speed. So repeat the experiment at different speeds and different time periods and different rates. Yeah? And then finally you may calculate the bearing life, the ball bearing life by using empirical relation. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.